How to manage location settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control which apps can access your location and turn it off completely if you need to. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Location. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top labeled Location Services. This is the main switch that controls location access across your entire device. From here, turning that off blocks every app from accessing your location completely. Following this, if you leave it on, scroll down to the next toggle labeled Let Apps Access Your Location and make sure that's enabled if you want to manage things on an app-by-app basis. After that, scroll further down to see the full list of apps that have requested location access. From here, go through the list and toggle off any app that doesn't need to know where you are. Things like shopping or social media apps often request location access when they don't really need it. At this point, scroll back up and click on Location History to see a log of recent location data Windows has stored, and click Clear if you want to wipe it. Finally, if you want to set a default location for your device that apps can use when your precise location isn't available, click on Default Location and click Set Default to choose one from the map. That's how you manage location settings in Windows 11. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you catch every upload. See you then!